I've always been passionate about exploring the world of emotions because it rules so much of what we do and how we feel about things and how we respond to things. And everybody feels it, but rarely are they acknowledged or allowed to be expressed in public. On October 17th, I'll be having a show here in Los Angeles called Permission to Enter. In observing how we're bombarded with information through technology, I want to create a space for people to feel their feelings using technology. I have big plans for this show, but I need your help to bring this vision to life. The show will take place at the LA Art Association's Gallery 825. It's home to a great community of artists and art lovers and was recently named one of the best galleries in LA by Los Angeles Magazine. We're going to have a room with 10 new paintings, iPhones, and iPads. It will be a world where trapped, unidentified, and unexpressed emotions are welcomed and validated. The phones are going to have my app on it, so you'll be able to interact with several of the paintings just by holding the phone up to it. The app will also be downloadable to your own phone. The iPads are going to be showing video of some of my process. When I first painted these paintings, each and every brushstroke was being recorded by the app I was using. So we're going to have video of the painting being created. Augmented reality is this technology that allows me to add animation, film, sound, and interactivity. And just for me, it's amazing because I get to take the story that's in the original painting and then expand it in all these different ways. Another thing I love about augmented reality is I can bring in my film background. So that's what I started, that's sort of my original art form, and this is like a new way to put out the films that I make. Growing up with Crohn's disease, I went through a lot of trauma related to that, and then I went through a lot of trauma related to a lot of other things. And at certain points I detached from my feelings, and I saw how you can't like live like that. You can't experience life like that. At the same time, I was being told by my doctors that I needed to express my feelings in order not to exacerbate my illness. And then I sort of looked around me and looked at society and saw how people weren't comfortable with that. People weren't comfortable expressing their own feelings, and people weren't comfortable being around other people expressing their feelings. Of course there were exceptions, but the rule was that you kept it behind closed doors and kept it inside because it just was inappropriate somehow. In 2011, we developed a process to create large-scale, museum-quality archival prints from these iPad paintings. We want to make sure to maintain the luminosity and vibrant colors that you see on the iPad that are so breathtaking, and we achieved that. By backing this project, you are not only supporting my show, but you're supporting a new business model for independent artists, and ultimately, you're funding their visions to create a better world. We have lots of great rewards: fine art prints, augmented reality t-shirts, and many other things, including exclusive Kickstarter promos. Thank you for watching. I hope you'll back my project, share it with friends and family and your networks, and feel your feelings.